Charlotte Works is the workforce development board serving Mecklenburg County and your source for the latest labor market news.
Here's the quick story of our local manufacturing industry. We've got a thin local talent supply, about average hiring competition, and basically flat growth. So first, looking at the scale of this industry here locally, it employs just over 34,000 people, but that's almost half of what we'd expect from the national benchmark of around 64,000. So we're operating with a much smaller talent base than others. And second, looking at the value, these positions pay well, over 110,000 a year, right around par with that national benchmark. Third, looking at competition, average monthly postings from employers just over 1,000, right on par with that national benchmark. If we look at this industry's growth over time, we see flat growth over the past 5 years, 0% growth, and over the next 5 years, 2% growth expected. So not much change expected in this industry. If we look at the diversity of this industry, we see just under 10,000 individuals aged 55 and up. So retirement risk is relatively low. Racial diversity is high. We've got over 14,000 racially diverse employees in this industry versus that 12,000 benchmark. And then the gender diversity is about average with just under 10,000 female employees versus that just over 10,000 benchmark. And if we look at what does this job sector actually look like in terms of employment, the job mix shows you're looking at production occupations, 45%, then transportation, material moving, office and administrative support, management, business and financial operations, and lastly, architecture and engineering. And again, demand is pretty broad here. You got over 1,100 employers posting 13,000 jobs over the past year. And the median posting stays open about 26 days, so just a little bit over average there. And the top posting companies, you're looking at Honeywell, Trane, Coke Consolidated, Corning. And you're looking at the top job titles being material handlers, forklift operators, field service technicians, maintenance techs, and machine operators. But what skills is this industry looking at? You see the skill signal here is a blend of operations and process, project management, continuous improvement, automation, SAP, KPIs, and then some supply chain and data analysis. And so the bottom line here is manufacturing is high value and still hiring, but Mecklenburg County has a thin talent supply base and slow growth. So the opportunity is improving, but we're going to need more training, upskilling to really meet the demand here and continue to fulfill the need.
For more information or for assistance as a business or a job seeker, visit charlotteworks.com.